Stock market recap. Today is Wednesday, January 8th, 2025. It's about 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. First off, I just want to say my heart goes out to all those in California near these wildfires. It's very sad. A lot of people have lost everything. So just want to let you know my heart goes out to you. My prayers to your family and friends, whoever's involved out there, okay? And a lot of people are wondering today, why did stocks fall? And the main reason is uncertainty, guys. But there's several things that happened today, a lot of data that came out, so I wanted to explain it all in this video, okay? So number one, the Fed minutes, okay, showed that the Fed is worried about Trump and inflation when he comes in the office, which we already knew about that, okay? But that didn't help. But also Trump mentioned about the tariffs when he comes in the office, and that also scared people and had the Treasury spike first thing this morning to 4.72%. And that was the highest it's been in 8 months. So that scared off traders. That's the number one reason why stocks fell. Remember, when the 10-year Treasury goes up, stocks usually fall. And it didn't help that the US dollar was also higher, because that usually has stocks fall as well. But the number one thing to watch and have pulled up in your, Google search, your chart, is the 10-year Treasury, okay? Because if you track that, like I said, it's going to help you with your day trading and short-term trading, okay? Then also, Biden is talking about doing another curb on the advanced chips, now going to Japan, Europe, and Australia, and that could be announced on Friday. So that's why NVIDIA and AMD, those stocks fell today. Broadcom, right? Pretty much everything is because of that, okay? But one thing that could help is Taiwan Semiconductor announces their December sales on Friday. So maybe that can bring some positive sentiment back, because most likely those numbers will be good. So maybe NVIDIA, AMD, and those semiconductors get a bounce, okay? And then also there's deflationary concerns, with China. They're talking about that. So again, a lot going on, but just know the payrolls report, actually, that was one of the data released, came in less than expected, okay? So that was good. That's where the treasuries actually backed off and went down for a bit. So overall, like I said, a lot of uncertainty. And remember, there's more volatility in this market now. We've talked about this. There's bigger swings, and that's why it's more important than ever. Remember to mark your levels off on your chart with the stock that you're playing, okay? So, for example, in Thinkorswim, if you use that, you go into the chart, you click the chart, and then some icons pop up, and you can click the pencil icon, and you can mark your levels off with that. So you look at support levels like we've talked about, where it's bounced off of and gone higher, and you put a line there. And then you look at resistance levels where you saw the stock get rejected and go lower several times during the day, and put another line there. And then also mark the high of the day today and the low of the day. And then that chart will be set for you for Friday trading. Remember, there's no trading tomorrow because it's President Carter's memorial, okay? But Friday, so that'll all be set for you, and that will help you tremendously, guys. Also, XRP, if you're interested in crypto, there's some news here where it's imminent that it'll be added to additional exchanges, this stable coin that came out, and also a spot ETF coming out with XRP. So this is where it's in a bull flag right now. And if it breaks out, right, this can go a lot higher with XRP. If it breaks down, then it can go a lot lower. So it's one to watch. I wanted to point that out. So a lot going on overall, guys, but this is kind of a recap, one to help you out. And Friday, like I said, the one piece of data. So I mentioned that Taiwan Semiconductor is announcing their numbers, but Friday is the jobs report, and that's going to move the market. If the jobs come in much hotter than expected, showing a strong labor market, then the 10-year Treasury could go up again, and then stocks could fall. But if it comes in lighter than expected or showing slightly weaker, then stocks could bounce. So just want to let you know.